Hey guys, it is JetRex103 here, and today we are playing a game. What is it called again? Angry Ice Cream?
Yeah, Angry Ice Cream 3.
And
we have a lot of people over, so it's kind of loud.
Yeah, there's a lot of people over, so of course it's going to be. I think I'm gonna go with bubblegum.
Oops, I accidentally scrolled up. Okay, here we go. You have to use the space bar and the arrow keys, and then I use my... Okay. Here we go.
I forgot what these do. Oh yeah.
Shoots out ice.
And also breaks ice.
Yeah. You smack it.
And that's also how you take out these guys.
I got ran over. Help me. Get all the bananas. If only you could help. Can you freeze me? You just froze me. Collect all the points. Ain't no talk.
Yay.
There's a fruit stuck right there.
Huh?
Right there. Boom.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
What's the boar? Block him.
Hey, you just blocked that.
I know. Oh, he's blocked.
Nice.
At least for now. He's gonna break through. Nope, we got it.
Oh,
Okay.
it's easy.
Next level. Okay. Uh-oh, it's this guy. He breaks them. No! Oh my gosh, I suck at this. What happens if you walk through the shell? Try walking inside the shell.
Huh?
Your shell. Go over to the right and I'll go down. Down.
Why?
Because I want you to try to go into one of the shells right there.
Okay.
You can't? Oh, I thought you could. After you did that, you could like teleport. That'd be cool. Oh no, he's breaking through the ice. Keep going, keep going. Collect those last. There's watermelon after that. Go get them. Boom.
Yay.
Wait, now I have to get him bike.
Okay. Coconuts. Go, go. Oh crap, it's these things. Oh, they can smash through ice. Go up.
No, you stopped me.
No, I didn't. You're supposed to go up then left. Oh no, the pineapples are break through that. No, pineapple, no, buddy. No, that's a bad idea. Come here, I'll save you. I'm the pink one, by the way, if you guys didn't know. He's the blue one. Boom, we did it. Okay, next one. Okay,
Speed up
tiles. Wait, move very fast on the power floor. So they make you faster.
No.
Oh, that was easy.
You can say that again.
All you had to do was walk around. Oh crap, block them.
Yeah.
Okay, after you block them, you want to break a path through. Like that. I got these. Okay, I'm gonna block off this way, so watch out. I sent them the other way. Pears. Pears. Oh crap, they're dancing.
The dancing pears.
That one's trapped there. I got this one. Yes! Next level completed, guys.
This is a really fun game.
What was that tile? It was like freeze
Frost
tile.
tiles.
What did they do?
I couldn't read.
Watch out. Go. He's gonna get locked out here. Okay, now we can go back. Go.
No.
Oh, you didn't go inside. Okay, I got this. Talk to me.
As you can see, I just died, which is really sad. But
Oh no.
no. Oh gosh. Run, Jordan, run,
Oh, those
run.
freeze tiles saved me.
What do the freestyles do?
They refreeze after a while. Watch, see if they refreeze.
Oh. Okay, you have to get on there.
Oh, the paper's melting.
Why is there always dancing at the end?
Why are they dancing peppers? Why would we want them?
I don't know.
I mean, wouldn't they melt us?
Huh?
Wouldn't they melt us?
Yeah.
Boom. Okay, ready?
Wait, how did I win?
Because you have the most points.
Oh.
Okay. So just make a small path. There you go. These are going to refreeze, so you get that side, I'll get the top side. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay.
Dancing strawberries. Oh, there's some in the pipes.
I got one.
Ah.
I got this one. Oh, I went through the tube. That's what I meant by a teleport. Okay, we're tied.
After this, we're playing Get on Top. Wait, do we want the fire? No.
I get to freeze it. Why'd you die? Why would you kill yourself? You gotta break it. Oh god, it lit back on fire. Yeah! Actually frozen. Spit that out. Break that. Okay, I'm doing my best right now, guys.
Yeah.
The
I don't-
fire's making everything counter. It doesn't kill them? That'd be so cool if it did.
And it'd be helpful.
Go, 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 go. Oh no, they're right there. This is hard. Break the ice. Go this way. Come on, one last fruit. Oh no, there's still these. They're dancing? It's gonna take forever. Oh yes, get them. These ones. No, not in the fire. Come on. You stay out of there. Break. Give me that. Please don't light back on fire. Oh, I have to get back in there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard. You guys, I got it. Come on. Logan, this would be much easier with you.
Yes! Of course you won.
Go.
Wait,
You got more points. How?
and you got 0?
How did I get 0 points? I got way more than you did.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, I think it's if somebody dies, the point stop. You stop gaining points. So take it. It doesn't really matter who wins or not because we're just trying to get the fruits. Oh no, they're coffee beans.
Come to Pop.
They drill into the things.
Yeah, I guess so.
Over here.
No,
This one, get him.
I died. Coffee bean!
Oh wait, it's
Okay,
trapped now.
he's in.
Okay, ready? Do this quick. Got it. What were we missing? Oh yeah, we did it. Okay. I was about to be like, I collected it. No. Ice floor. You cannot stop or change these.
What?
Oh, you cannot change direction when you're on those. I got him.
We.
Ah. Oh wait, that's cool. We did a cheat. No, he hit me. Run.
Here, you want to take over me?
No, you have to do it.
But
Down.
what if I die?
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean to.
Oh, there's
Play
no-
Get on Top. Let's try Get on Top now.
Okay. Get on top.
Get on Top is absolutely hilarious, guys.
Okay. Sorry if it's not full on screen like you guys would like it, but we can't minimize it for some reason. But let's do this. Okay, ready? Get on top. I'm on the. I'm the one on the left.
Oh
he's the
wait,
one on the
it's
right.
not. Oh.
Uh-oh, he got me. It's practically you don't want your head to get hit.
No.
Haha, gotcha. Uh-oh.
Who's winning?
Me.
You.
Oh yeah, watch this.
Ow.
My strategy is to push them down either way they're leaning. Oh, I'm pretty good at this.
No!
Psych. Oh, did you see that? That was like a back slam. Nope.
No! No!
I'm like full on action right here.
No!
Come on, Logan.
Oh, and now, guys, guess what? I can do Paladins better, and I can do Overwatch for you guys easier.
Oh my gosh.
I have a
XP
screen.
catch up. Okay. Let's see some other games. Can we do Drunken Wrestlers?
Oh, Wrestle Jump! I love that one. It's hilarious.
Can we? No, you need Unity
Oh.
player. Sorry, guys. Let's do Soccer Physics.
Oh, yeah, Soccer Physics. I love Soccer Physics.
Oh no, they're not going to be able to see it.
Sorry that you're not going to be able to see the whole entire thing, guys, but
Yeah.
you can see most of it. Like,
Sorry, we have some kids in the background.
oh, this is
What? This is not Soccer Physics.
fun football.
1 second, you guys. We're going to move you over here. And we're going to do something. Okay, we're going.
Yay!
Oh, it's perfect. You guys.
It's perfect.
Oh no, it's a little bit bigger than we thought. No.
That's not Soccer Physics.
That is not Soccer. Sorry, you guys. We're trying to work on it.
Yeah, we're doing the best we can.
Quiz games.
There it is, Soccer
Oh,
Physics.
we need Unity Web. We did all that for nothing. Fun football. What is it? Okay, let's just find some other games.
Like Wrestle Jump.
Boxing Physics? Nope. Dang
Sun
it.
Fighter.
Yeah, this one's fun, you guys. Sorry if the screen went all
I
blurry.
forgot how to play.
It's like it's just thumb work. Da-na-na-na.
So do we use the spacebar?
No.
Uh,
It's I have A, you have L. You use this one. Don't do it yet. You have to choose your character. He's bat thumb. Who are you gonna be?
let me see all of them.
They added new characters.
I know. I'm gonna be Creep.
Okay. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war.
No. No.
You're like twitching. No! No, he got me!
A Creeper beats Batman. No. No.
Yeah, Batman beats Creeper that time. Okay, final match is next.
And I think after this one, we're going to stop the video.
Yeah, we don't have that long until the video has to cut out. No! No!
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
you
guys.
That's pretty much all the time we have for right now. We'll see you guys in the next video.
So, bye.
Bye.